You can also create search campaigns completely manually, just based off a keyword list. If you don't want to do the growth theme thing, you go to keywords and you have a keyword list. You can cluster these like quickly per topic, and then you can say, okay, I want this one, I want this one, I want this one, and you save these as cluster set. And then you can go to new campaign, search, and go manual mode. And then here you just select the cluster set that I just created. And let's say this is convert. We want conversions, 3,150. What are we marketing so that it knows how to write the ads? And yet again, you can generate with AI, or you can tick these manually. Dark patterns are automatically off. You can turn them on if you wish, but I'm not going to. And then as you can see, let's go with maximize conversions without a target CPA. Now all of those clusters are now ad groups, and here you can create ads for them. All of this content is already pre-filled. Anything you have in your tone guide will be here. Generate some ad copy. It's already actually selected a good landing page there as well. That's neat. So generating some ad copy there. And same thing as for demand gen, you can thumbs up or thumbs down and then regenerate, or you can select existing. And just like that, you have ads for all of these. You go to review and you publish, or you save as draft. So that's how you get started and launch new stuff.